Hello, today we're going to look at using COPs in Houdini to create effects like this. So let's jump into Houdini. Here we have an empty session with the composite view on the left, and you can open this using this new paint tab type. And on the right we have the node tree now inside the OBJ, and you can either go to the IMG context, or you can create a new network inside of your OBJ context. So let's try the OBJ version. So tab and cop network. And in your versions of Houdini, this is replaced with Copernicus, but the principle is the same. And then let's call this mycop and go inside. And now we can create a VOP network. So press tab and type VOP and create a VOP COP2 generator. And here, let's go inside this. And we don't need these nodes, so we can delete these. And instead create a snippet. So tab and snippet. And then P to view the parameters. So here we can type code for this network. So let me just zoom in to the view, and let's go up and change the size of this image by going to the image tab and override size, and let's use 1024 by 1024, so we have a square image to work with. Okay, and let's go back into the VOP COP2 generator and open the parameters for this snippet. And here we can write our code. So let's see how this works. So we have a variable called x that is the x position from 0 to 1. So if we try something like, and we also have colors that are R, G or B. So let's just use a constant color first. So let's try and set red equal 1 and end with a semicolon and see if we get any result. And now you can see that the red color is set to 1. So that's a good start. And now let's only set it to 1 if it is less on the left side of the image. So if x is less than 0.5, then we want to set red to 1. And that works as well. And we also want to normalize our coordinates so that 0, 0 is in the middle of the image. So I'm going to say float x equals the big X and minus 1, actually 2 times x minus 1. And I will do the same with y. So float y equal 2 times y minus 1. And now if we set x to be less than 0, then red should be 1. And it is not yet working, so 2 times x. You should use the small caps X here. So now 0 is in the middle, and we can also say if x is less than 0 and if y is less than 0, then we have the lower left quadrant. So this is a good start to create some kind of graphics. So let's see. Let's start with a circle. So let's say if x times x plus y times y is less than 1. Yes, that is the circle. So let's break this out, and we say, for example, float z equal x times x plus y times y and minus 1. And then let me just fix this spelling error here. And then if z is less than 0. So now we can use this 0 comparison and keep our formula separate. And let's do something more interesting. So maybe we use arctangent here. So let's try a tan 2 x and y and see what we get. So this is kind of interesting. So let's do an absolute on the x, abs x. Okay, and this is a little bit too big. So let's see what we shall do. What if we take 2x here? That's not it. So actually I have this in the wrong place. Oh, that's an absolute x, and let's try 2y. That makes it smaller in y, and 2 times x, that doesn't help. So let's move this, and instead maybe we subtract here 1 and see what we get. Or maybe we add 1 here. Now it started to take shape. So we want to move this upward so we can offset the y coordinate. So we can use this formula here and say try plus 0.1. And then it moves down. So instead we will subtract here. And let's move this up until we get it in the center. Okay, so 5 and a bit more, maybe not 6 here. And well, this is good enough for now. We don't want to spend too much time. So let's then make this a bit more interesting. So instead of a constant color, let's set here the value of z, for example. So let's try z here as the color, or the absolute of z. Okay, and now let's try to multiply z with the time. So take this times time, or set instead a times 10 and see what we get. Okay, and let's do a sine on the z. So sine z times 10. That is still okay. Do an absolute. Oh, that shouldn't matter. So take z times 10 here. And let's remove this. Okay, and increase this to maybe 100. And maybe a little bit less, so let's say 50. Okay, so this is quite similar to what we had before. We could also change this offset, so we could see. Well, let's keep this, and then try and multiply this with the time. And now the time is 0, so we want to offset with the time. And let's open the timeline and see how this would change. Let's play this. Okay, and we want to get an even cycle here, so we are going to multiply by pi. So 3 times 14, 15, 2, 65. Well, you can type as many decimals of pi as you want. So now we have our effect here. And if you want to render this out, you can add an output node. So press tab and type a ROP for a render operator and ROP File Output. And here you can set the frame range like 48. And here you can enter your file name and then press render. And you will have this result. This is with a little bit of glow added afterwards. I hope this gave you some ideas, and see you next time. Over and out.